Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. How do some people manage to juggle their day jobs and a side hustle successfully? As the world evolves, so does the way we work. More and more people are embracing side hustles, not just for the extra income, but also for the personal growth and opportunities they offer. It's a trend that's gaining momentum, but it's not without its challenges. That's where we come in. In today's video, we're breaking down the process of starting a side hustle into manageable steps. First things first, what exactly is a side hustle? Well, in simple terms, a side hustle is any type of employment undertaken in addition to one's full-time job. It's a passion project or a freelance gig that you work on outside of your regular work hours. It's a chance to delve into fashion, coding, writing, art, or even baking, right from your own home. Imagine you're an accountant by day, but a photographer by sunset, or perhaps a school teacher who's also an Etsy shop owner. Intriguing, isn't it? This is the beauty of a side hustle. It's not solely about the additional income, although that's a definite perk. It's about pursuing what you love and monetizing it. It's about skill expansion, self-fulfillment, and financial freedom. A side hustle can serve as a creative outlet, or even a safety net in your career. Now that we understand what a side hustle is, let's delve into how to start one. The first step to starting a successful side hustle? Developing the right mindset. Let's delve into this. A positive and proactive mindset is like the fuel that drives the engine of your side hustle. It's what keeps you going when things get tough. Think of your mindset as your inner compass, guiding you towards your goals, no matter how many obstacles come your way. But developing the right mindset isn't just about positivity. It's about patience too. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your side hustle. Success is a slow-burning fire, not a quick spark. So be patient with yourself, your progress, and the process. And then, there's resilience. It's about getting back up when you're knocked down. It's about learning from mistakes and growing stronger with each setback. Remember, every no is a step closer to a yes. With the right mindset, you're already halfway there. The next step in our journey? Identifying the right side hustle for you. But how do you choose one that aligns perfectly with your skills, interests, and the time you have at your disposal? Let's dive into some tips. Firstly, take a moment to assess your skills. What are you good at? What activities do you excel in, and how can these be monetized? It could be anything from graphic designing, writing, teaching, or even baking. You'd be surprised at the wide range of skills that can be transformed into a profitable side hustle. Next, consider your interests. A side hustle isn't just about making extra money, it's about doing something you love. Ask yourself, what are you passionate about? If you're going to invest time and energy into something, it should be something that brings you joy and satisfaction. Lastly, evaluate your availability. How much time can you realistically dedicate to your side hustle each week? Remember, a side hustle is meant to complement your primary job, not replace it. It's essential to find a balance that won't compromise your primary responsibilities. Take these factors into account, and you'll be well on your way to choosing a side hustle that's a perfect fit for you. It may take some trial and error, but the journey will be well worth it in the end. Remember, the best side hustle is one that you are passionate about and fits into your lifestyle. You've got the mindset, you've chosen your hustle, now it's time to plan and execute. Let's start with crafting a feasible plan. It's not enough to have an idea. You need a clear roadmap to guide you. Start by defining your objectives. What do you want to achieve with your side hustle? Is it financial freedom, a creative outlet, or perhaps a stepping stone to entrepreneurship? Whatever it is, your objectives should guide your every decision. Once you have your objectives, break them down into manageable tasks. This is where tools come into play. There are numerous project management tools available like Trello or Notion. These tools can help you organize your tasks, set deadlines, and keep track of your progress. Next, we move to the importance of setting goals. Your goals should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This means instead of saying, "I want to make a lot of money from my side hustle," you say, I want to earn an extra $500 per month from my side hustle within 6 months. The clearer your goals are, the easier it is to stay focused and motivated. Speaking of motivation, let's talk about staying motivated and focused. It's common to feel overwhelmed or lose interest, especially when the results are not immediate. This is where your mindset plays a crucial role. Remember why you started your side hustle. Keep reminding yourself of your goals and the rewards that await you. One useful tip is to celebrate small wins. Did you finish a task on time? Celebrate it. Did you get your first client? Celebrate it. Each small victory brings you one step closer to your goals. Finally, remember to maintain a balance. Your side hustle should not take over your life. Make sure to allocate time for relaxation and self-care. After all, a burnt-out mind is not good for business. With proper planning and execution, your side hustle can become a significant part of your professional life. So, we've covered a lot today. Let's quickly recap. We started by unveiling the concept of a side hustle, an opportunity to explore your passions, earn extra income, and potentially even start a new career. We emphasized the importance of developing the right mindset. That's about cultivating resilience, perseverance, and a can-do attitude. It's about viewing challenges as opportunities, not obstacles. Then we moved on to choosing the right side hustle. Remember, it's not just about making money, but also about finding something that aligns with your skills, interests, and values. Something that can truly enrich your life. And of course, we spent a good deal of time on planning and execution. It's important to set clear, achievable goals and to break them down into manageable tasks. And remember, consistency is key. Starting a side hustle can be a game changer. So get out there, start hustling, and remember to stay focused and motivated until next time. Until next